Have you ever found yourself pondering the intricate details of body swaps in the show It's What's Inside? If so, you're in luck. Today, we'll delve into every round of the game and its unexpected final twist, explaining the body swaps and character developments along the way. But first, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. It's What's Inside is a Netflix film that revolves around a group of friends playing a body swapping game. Uh, uh, the game, inspired by Mafia rules, challenges them to identify whose body each person occupies. Uh, After two rounds and a shocking finale, it becomes increasingly difficult to keep track of who's in which body. In the first round, characters swap bodies in pairs. Uh, for instance, Maya and Nikki trade places while Dennis and Forbes do the same. This round also highlights Shelby's dissatisfaction with Cyrus, as Ruben, in Cyrus's body, enthusiastically dances with her, making her happier than ever. During the second round, and everyone gets mixed up into different bodies with no clear pattern. And this like deepens the tension between Shelby and Cyrus as she attempts to engage in a mutually beneficial sexual encounter, only to be accused of having feelings for Forbes in the second round ends tragically when Ruben in Dennis's body and Brooke controlling Maya's body fall from the roof during an intimate encounter. The characters are then divided into two factions, with some wanting to maintain their current physical forms and others wanting to revert to their original bodies. The final twist comes when it's revealed that Beatrice in Forbes's body had been controlling the game all along. She had taken control of Forbes's body before the start of It's What's Inside to punish those involved in the birthday party and her mental breakdown from high school. In the end, characters remain trapped in their new bodies due to Beatrice stealing the suitcase and Dennis's money. This thrilling show keeps viewers on their toes, guessing the true intentions of each character and the outcome of every body swap. And now, for a little joke, why don't body swappers play hide and seek? Because good luck hiding when you're in someone else's shoes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.